Now you can trade on Binance with 3Commas for free.
Binance have just launched a broker program.
Binance только что запустил брокерскую программу.
So we allow a third party to run their platform.
То есть есть функционал, который позволяет третьим странам использовать эту платформу в интересах других лиц.
Where users register on the third party platform.
То есть пользователи регистрируются на сторонней платформе.
And they're able to generate an API key through Binance.
И через Binance генерируется API ключ.
And all the trades are handled by Binance, but the user stays with the broker.
Все операции проводятся на стороне Binance, но пользователь взаимодействует со своим брокером.
So 3Commas is one of the first brokers to use that model.
3Commas — это один из первых брокеров, который использует данную модель.
And this model actually doesn't cost the user anything.
И данная модель, она никак не обременяет пользователя.
And we split a part of our commission fees with the broker.
И наша комиссия, она делится между нами и брокером.
So that is a new model that we're using.
Да, это новая модель, которую мы используем, да.
You get access to almost everything, pretty much everything that you'll need for basic trading. Bots, composite bots, smart trade. So there are a lot of really, really great things that you can do with this new Binance Trader option. It's a really, really great system. So if you haven't tried 3Commas yet and you've been hesitant to because you don't want to pay the monthly subscription fees, this is it. This is a dream come true. So you can use the best cryptocurrency trading exchange, Binance, with the best crypto trading platform, 3Commas, match made in heaven.